Hey guys, I have a 9 to 5 and lunchtime is my happiest time, but it's also a huge struggle because I always have to plan ahead and bring my meals with me to work, or I have to spend money on eating out. I've been hearing a lot about Daily Harvest on a lot of the podcasts that I'm listening to, and it sounded like a really cool and convenient option for to-go breakfast or lunch. So last week I decided to give it a shot and give you guys my honest opinion in case you're curious or you're considering Daily Harvest. And just so you know, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the service with my own money, so you can be sure that you're gonna get my 100% honest opinion. So Daily Harvest is basically a meal subscription service, but it involves minimal cooking. They have oats, smoothies, harvest bowls, and soups, and I think lattes, and they all take under 5 minutes to put together. So that sounds like something that would be perfect for my lifestyle. So I went on their website to place my first order. They have a few different options for boxes. You can get one with 9 cups, 12 cups, or 24 cups, and depending on how many cups you have in your box, the price can get lower, and the lowest you can get is $7 per cup, which, to be completely honest with you guys, I thought it's really expensive. I knew that Daily Harvest would not be as cheap as if you make a salad or a harvest bowl or a smoothie at home, but I honestly did not expect them to cost more than $5 per cup. I don't know, am I crazy? Anyway, I ordered the bestseller box with 9 cups, and I used a coupon that I found online and I saved, I think, $30. So my whole order for 9 cups costed $40. I got the box within a few days and everything was really well packaged with dry ice. All the cups were still really cold even though they were in my lobby for 4 to 5 hours. Here are all the cups that I got. I tried my first smoothie the following morning on Saturday because I was just too curious and excited and I really wanted to know what it will be like. It definitely tastes like a high quality smoothie that you can get at a smoothie shop, but you can also just as easily make it at home. So I don't know, it's already really hard for me to justify the cost. This particular one is also really filling. I've been drinking it for a while. I'm probably like to about here, and I already feel like pretty full, which is kind of nice. I had my first harvest bowl on Tuesday and I made it in the microwave at work. It only had 200 calories, which I don't think it's enough for a main dish, so I had to supplement with a Baby Bell cheese and some nuts, and it was fine. It actually tasted pretty good. I didn't expect to like it that much because I wasn't excited about the tomatoes. I'm kind of particular about cooked tomatoes, but it tasted like a high quality frozen meal, maybe like a frozen meal, like a good frozen meal that you can get at Trader Joe's. Would I pay $7 for a frozen meal from Trader Joe's? Probably not. The next day I had another harvest bowl, and this one tasted good again, but it was again only 200 calories, so I had to supplement with snacks because it didn't really keep me full for the entire afternoon. So the whole time I was thinking that this would actually be a perfect side to a protein, but not a meal on its own. I had my next harvest bowl for dinner the next day, and this one also tasted pretty nice. It also had a better nutritional value, meaning it had 340 calories, which was a bit more substantial. But I ended up adding protein again because it just didn't look like a full meal to me. On Friday, I had 2 Daily Harvest cups. I had an oatmeal cup for breakfast and my last harvest bowl for lunch. Okay, we're ready to test it out. It's very pink. Smells good. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I like oatmeal with fresh fruit on top. I don't like to cook my fruit within my oatmeal. So that's kind of not my favorite thing. But other than that, it's like a pretty standard oat bowl. The oatmeal bowl was very filling. I actually couldn't finish the whole thing. But as I said in the clip, I wasn't a huge fan of the cooked fruit and I absolutely could not taste the dragon fruit in it. For lunch, I had the cauliflower rice and pesto harvest bowl with again added protein to make it a full meal. And this was probably my favorite harvest bowl of all that I tried. It had lots of flavor and I was super excited about all the ingredients. It was pretty filling as well. And I think I'll probably try to recreate it at home. It shouldn't be too hard. And then I had my last smoothie on Saturday to end the week. This one is really good. I think it doesn't have protein, so it's like really low calorie, but it's really delicious. I'm actually kind of mad that they didn't add any protein because the first smoothie that I had actually had protein. It was like well balanced. This one has 3 grams of protein. Like, what is this? So overall, to answer the question, is Daily Harvest good? I think taste-wise, it's pretty good. It's fresh, it's healthy, it's good ingredients. I enjoyed it. I think all the cups tasted pretty nice. Am I blown away? No. Is it worth it? It really depends on your lifestyle and what you usually spend. But for my lifestyle and the type of money that I usually spend on lunch, it's definitely not worth it. I think it's too expensive. I really enjoyed not having to worry about my lunches, not having to meal prep or like plan anything in advance. I could just go to my freezer and grab a cup and just be done with lunch. But I have a big issue with the price because I usually don't spend money on lunch, on eating out, because it really adds up. And most of the things that you can buy in a grab and go place, you can easily make at home, like a salad or a smoothie or just something easy and quick. If we assume that you subscribe to Daily Harvest and you have $7 per cup, let's say 20 work days, 7 times 20 is $140 per month. And for a year, you're gonna spend nearly $1,700. And honestly, I would rather spend that money on something else. So if you're someone that regularly spends $10 for lunch at Sweet Green or is getting smoothies every day, I can see how Daily Harvest can actually save you money. But for me, especially for a smoothie, it's just not worth it because it's so easy to meal prep and just throw in the blender and make it at home. I actually found a lot of like recipes online for like copycat Daily Harvest smoothies and people were able to make them at home for $3. Besides the high price, there is another thing that I really disliked about Daily Harvest, and it's the fact that the calorie counts varied way too much. I had a smoothie with almost 500 calories. I had an oat bowl that had 2 servings that equaled to 340 calories, and then a bunch of my Harvest bowls were around 200. Which I don't consider a full meal. Some of their cups are actually full meals, but a lot of them are just sides or snacks, and I really cannot justify spending $7 on a snack. Overall, if you guys are worried about the taste of the cups, I would say don't worry about it. They taste pretty good, they are healthy, and the ingredients are good quality for sure. But I personally would not be continuing my membership because of the price and because of the calorie counts and just the fact that they're not actually filling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got something out of it. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up because that really helps my channel. Subscribe if you like my content. If you are into healthy lifestyle, fashion, and general wellness content, I make videos every single week and I would really love to have you on my channel. And I will see you next week with another video. Bye guys!